But that's how we make money, folks, okay? Obviously, if the house wasn't all fucked up, you wouldn't be able to make the amount of money we're about to make. You wouldn't be able to make a cool $25,000 profit. How does $25,000 right in your pocket sound? That's essentially what I have for you right now. 121 East 32nd Lorain, okay? This is a single-family house, and this house is all types of fucked up, okay? This house is fucking shot. This house is fucking been brutalized. It is a piece of crap, okay? It is in terrible condition. However, the seller, they did put a brand new roof on it, okay? So it comes to you with a brand new roof. You do not need to worry about fixing the roof. And also, the electric panel is upgraded, okay? So you take this house. It's like a big, huge, steaming pile of dog shit. But in that dog shit, there's a brand new fucking roof, which saves you like 10 G's, and there's an upgraded electric panel. The rest of it, though, obviously, you got to renovate it. But that's how we make money, folks, okay? Obviously, if the house wasn't all fucked up, you wouldn't be able to make the amount of money we're about to make. You wouldn't be able to make a cool $25,000 profit, right? Great for a flip, great for a bird deal, because the numbers make sense, okay? That's what we do. We take shitty houses, we fix them up, and then we make a bunch of money, okay? $64,999, so $65K, should be about 40 grand to fix everything, right? Because you don't got to fix the roof, you don't got to mess with the electric, but you do need a hot water tank, you need a furnace, obviously you need to repaint the entire thing, you got to do the floors, you got to do your bath fixtures, your kitchen fixtures, you got to, window, you got a lot of shit to do. It's about 40 grand, okay? $40,000. Now, 65 plus 40, that's 105. Bada bing, bada boom. ARV on that bad boy, it's going to be about 130. Boom. Clear $25,000 of profit of equity, right? You could BRRRR it out, okay? It'd be a very fucking awesome BRRRR because this thing would rent for almost $1,500 a month, right? $1,475 is what we'd be able to rent this thing. If you want to sell it as a flip, you could do that too, right? This is a super solid deal here, right? It's all about the numbers, okay? That ARV, you can do your own research if you like. That ARV, that's a solid ARV. I'm not like one of those dorky wholesalers that like has no fucking clue what they're doing. Be easy to sell this at $130,000. Now, just so you know though, if you're going to try to sell it at $130,000, it wouldn't sell to like another investor. So like some people, when they hear me say that, they like want to put a tenant in there and then they want to sell it for $130. No. The way you would sell it at $130 would be you would leave it vacant, okay, and then you would sell it to first-time home buyers. That's how you're going to get your $130, right? You get it all crisp, clean, beautiful, ready to accept FHA financing, VA financing. Owner-occupant comes in, bada bing, bada boom, they fall in love with the house, they buy it. You could do the BRRRR strategy, get it to appraise for that high and pull all your money back out, and then put a tenant in there at $1,475. But if like 6 months after that you decide, I feel like I'm going to sell it, you're probably not getting $130 because another investor ain't going to pay $130 because they could just do what we're doing here and they could just buy something and fix it all up and make that equity for themselves. So keep that in mind. Now, as far as figuring out your reno budget and stuff, like I said, it's about $40,000. If you want to do the work on your own and you want to come up with your own reno budget, that's totally fine. Just hit us up via the email, okay, sales@HoltonWise.com, and I will get you into the home. Same business day if you hit me up before 5, next day if you hit me up after 5. If you want HoltonWise to do the renovation for you, that's totally fine too. If you're out of state and you want more details on the home so you can verify that my estimate is correct, I urge you to stick around because the clips that you've been seeing in and out of me talking here on the screen of the property looking like all types of dog shit, I'm going to play you that full uncensored video. Okay, so if you're out of state and you really want to do your due diligence right now, stick around, watch that full uncensored video. If you're local and you want to get in there, great, I got nothing to hide. Hit me up, I will get you in there because I'm not one of those people that's going to come up here and say the rehab is 40 when it's not really 40. That wouldn't really make any sense, and that'd really hurt business in the future. And obviously, based on how I've been talking about this property, I'm a pragmatic realist here, right? I'm not one of those like 50-year-old old lady realtors that got the pearl necklaces that are like, oh, look at this charming little home, just needs a little bit of elbow grease. It doesn't need elbow grease, bro. This is a fucking turd, okay? That's why we're spending fucking $40,000. But once we do, we're going to make $25K, so it's all worth it, right? So stick around for the uncensored footage. Then let me know if you want to buy the property. Sales@HoltonWise.com.
121 East 32nd.
Yep.
121 East 32nd.
Look at that nice new roof, dude.
Yeah, roof's brand new. Yeah, if you just want to get the door open. Nice. It's the neighbor's side. It's hard to see the viewfinder. The roof is see, and backyard. It's not too bad considering we had a bunch of storms recently. Up on it. Side porch. Pretty sure this door is. Oh shit. Whoop. There we go. Filming. Porch. Oof. Be careful on these steps. Oh crap. Get my light on. Step through here. Of course, it's hot as fuck in here. Sorry for the swearing, but it's very hot.
I don't know what we're gonna do about the basement.
Why?
I don't know. Kind of looks inaccessible. I didn't really go down too far though.
Well, where's the access to it back there?
Yeah, it's to the left at the end of the hallway.
Oh shit. Okay.
That's that boarded up room on the back, right?
Yeah. Bathroom needs a little bit of love. Oh shit. Oh yeah, no. Oh. Floor's a little soft in this area too. Like really soft. Like I'm sinking in. Here, you want to try to do that? Do you want to try to do the stairs? I gotta see if I can get the facing.
Oh, a little rainbow stairs. Okay.
I went to go down the stairs at that one house and then fell through the steps?
Yeah, that was a good time, bro.
Well, I almost just fell through the fucking floor at the top of the steps on this one.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
I put my foot in and the subfloor let me go.
Nice. Alright, well, there's a fucking... I don't know what we're gonna find up here, dude. I don't know if you can even see anything. There's probably stuff in your way. I can only reach up so far. Do a little 360 action for you. It's probably terrible. I apologize. The attic is otherwise inaccessible. Oh, nice. Nice, fixed itself. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Looks like it might be something growing in there. A little nest or something. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to try it, but as soon as you put your foot on it, you feel it like give way.
You got in here?
I did go in there, yeah. That's super wet and like soft, but yeah, right in the middle. Feel it?
Yeah, I see right here. There's like a...
Yeah, if you go down there, dude, be super, super careful.
Super, super duper. I'm risking it for the biscuit, boys. I think you guys gotta buy me a new fucking pair of shoes after this shit, though. Oh! Thank God. No, stay on, you fucker.
Is there nothing even down there?
The light's not.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, the gimbal and the light are failing.
Because it's 105 degrees in here.
Dude, this is like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre basement, too. Hang on.
It'll re-stabilize itself.
Yeah, it did, but the fucking light.
You gotta push it down.
Push what down?
There you go.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's hope
That's
fucking
murder.
Leatherface ain't fucking down here, dude. God damn, fucking Cobweb City. Alright, well, there is a furnace. So that's good. It's a good start. A little ductwork not connected, so that's cool. That looks like something out of fucking True Detective over there. Nothing over there. Oh, look at that. Old hot water tank, new hot water tank. Newer hot water tank. Fucking water line's just disconnected. That's good to know. Water meter's just on the fucking ground. The electrical. Alright, we're getting the fuck out of here. I feel like I'm gonna get hepatitis just from fucking being in here. Watch your footing. Alright. I'm gonna stop it.
What do you want to show? God damn it. Oh, go this way, you piece of shit. I hate when it gets overheated because it gets... I just wanted to kind of show this closet right quick. But pretty sure these things aren't made to like...
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.